Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to patch your Epson XP 2055 or 257 series printer using Inkjet.net, because this is an ancient solution for chipless printing. First step is we have to connect our printer with a computer system. Then we go to Inkjet.net. Oh, there we are. That's the best way to update printers with chipless firmware. We updated our Epson printer with that chipless solution and set ourselves free from worrying about chips. All we need is printing. It just keeps us an ink leveler. We download the proc of the firmware first. Then we have to flash the firmware of our printer by using the Inkjet.net firmware patcher. If we perform this, we are ready for unlocking this chipless printing. For this, we download the Inkjet Activation .exe, the exe.exe. The exe file will bring us the joy for chipless printing. We are going to now activate online, and if we activate the serial and the ID of our printer itself, this is the unique key, we can become by Inkjet.net the key for unlocking the SN. If we get the SN in position, job's done. After a small and fast reboot of the printer, we are ready back with chipless printing. That's cool, that's easy. Inkjet updating the list of supporting adding chip solution for all new models out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.